Are you looking for ways to create audio podcasts? Maybe you are into audio works and you want to be creating a lot of audio works to be sent online. I have this tool for you. It is actually a tool whereby you type, and by the time you type anything, it will turn it into speech. So let's dive in immediately. The website for this is called 11 Lab. So 11 Lab is actually a type of text to speech app that can help you create a lot. So there are different voices over here. So they have different types of voices. They have these are all the names. So audio the voice type. So you can do a lot of type of voice, maybe stability, enhancement. You can enhance that over here. Then you can just drop whatever you want to convert into. This is the text. Then immediately I do that, I click on generate. The moment I click on generate, so immediately
AI-powered educational tools for English language. I'm excited
to announce that in our CME Foundation WhatsApp group, we will be delving into the world of AI-powered educational tools for English language learning.
I love this.
As we continue our journey of learning, unlearning, and relearning, it is important to stay up to date with the latest technologies in education.
Yeah.
At CME Foundation, we understand the importance of continuous professional development in the education field, which is why we have created our platform to provide ongoing learning opportunities for educators.
It's going to be of help to you.
We offer a range of products and services, including training, conferences, workshops, and online professional development,
and
all geared towards increasing
the impact and creativity in the
give it a try, and I'm very sure that this will be of help to you at the end of the day. Thank you very much. See you in another video.